What in the world are stupid carrier tricks? Well, we're going to talk about that. This is Bob Vineyard, your Medicare expert with the Georgia Medicare Minute. Many of you will recall the David Letterman show years ago. He would have guests come on and they would bring their pet dog, cat, rabbit, squirrel, turtle, goldfish, whatever, and they would proceed to have these pets do tricks. Some of them were quite stupid, and some of them were rather entertaining. But anyway, I kind of got the idea from that, and I've used the term stupid carrier tricks for a number of years because there are things that carriers do that are actually pretty stupid, but they manage to snare people who are going out there looking for insurance products, and before you know it, you're caught in their trap. We're going to talk about, with regard to Medicare supplement plans, I'll tell you in a minute about one that it's not real common, but it's a bit of a shocker when you find out about it. One of the carriers actually employs a 30% first-year discount for people who enroll in their plan when they turn 65. So basically, let's just say that their standard rate was $100, where they're going to only charge you $70 because they're giving you a 30% discount. Okay. Well, why are they giving me a 30% discount? Well, it's because they are going to add that discount in to your policy renewal every year over the next 10 years. So that means you've got a built-in 3% per year rate increase on top of the trend or utilization increase, which happens simply because healthcare inflation exists, and with carriers, as more people use their plan, then they have to account for that going forward. So yeah, beware of the fact that there's at least one carrier out there that has this 30% first year discount. Others have smaller discounts, but they're still, kind of a trap anyway. Some of them may be 8 or 10 or 12%, but a 30% discount is pretty hefty, and it kind of makes you wonder, what are they going to do to me as the longer I go into this program? And I mean, how much are these premiums going to cost me? So another one is the household or family discount, and those are two different ways of enticing you with a low rate. The household discount simply means that you live with somebody else, and we're going to give you a discount on your rates when you go in, and the discount can be anywhere from about 4 or 5% on up to 12%. It's possible that some might do a little bit more than that, but that's typically what I see is 4 to 6 or 7%, and some of them will go a little bit higher. Again, the household discount simply means you live with somebody else. They don't have to buy a policy. The family discount, on the other hand, means that you live with somebody and they must also buy a policy. And in many cases, it has to be the same policy that you have. If you buy a Medicare supplement plan, they can't buy a cancer plan and you can get a discount. It just doesn't work that way. Both of you have to have a Medicare supplement plan. So, that's another way that the carriers will entice you in with a low rate and try and get you to buy their product. Well, what happens when, and by the way, on the household discount, there's one carrier that says you just have to live with somebody 18 or older. What happens when that 18-year-old turns 19 and goes away to college? Well, you're supposed to lose the discount, and in most cases you will. Same thing would happen if you had a household discount and they just simply said somebody 60 or older. What if you get a divorce? What if that spouse dies? Are they still going to give you the discount? No, they're not. They're going to increase your rate. And the same would be true if you had a family discount and you and your family member, spouse, got a divorce, or your spouse family member died, you lose the discount. So, there's all these things that maybe you don't really count on. And losing a spouse and having your premium go up at the same time is something that, you just need to be aware of. But there's a lot of carriers out there that will do stuff like that. The other thing is, I always say, let's look for carriers that have been around for a while. And there's a reason for that. A lot of the new carriers that come in, we've got carriers, this is May of 2020, we've got carriers that just got into the market this month. And they've got some fairly attractive rates. And in addition to the attractive rates, they're also throwing around a bunch of money. They try to get agents to promote their products, and they'll say, okay, we'll pay you $100 for every application that you submit on top of your regular compensation. Some of them have trips, some of them have trips and money. So if you're out there looking for something, especially if an agent is saying, well, you really need to get this plan here because they've got the best rates. I'm telling you, I'm just writing people left and right with this carrier because they're saving so much money. Just beware of that. So that's a few of the stupid carrier tricks. The biggest one being, of course, the household discount, also known as a family discount. But that 30% discount, that's a real head scratcher. Like, why are you doing this? Well, we're doing this because we can. And if you don't know about it, then you're not going to be worried about rate increases, are you? Yeah, okay. This is Bob Vineyard, your Medicare expert. This is the Georgia Medicare Minute. You take care. Have a great day.